Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by enabling the mouse's Bluetooth pairing. Press the dedicated button or hold the power until the LED blinks. On the Ps5, open Settings, then Accessories, General, then Bluetooth Accessories. This reveals available devices. Use your Dual Sense controller to navigate the menu. If the controller is off, plug it in. Once the Ps5 list is visible, keep the mouse in pairing mode so the console can detect it immediately and move to the next step. After the Ps5 shows the mouse in Bluetooth accessories, choose its name with the controller. If a code appears, confirm it quickly. Most mice pair without codes. Once connected, test basic movement in system menus to verify cursor response. Make small sensitivity adjustments in the Ps5 accessibility or in supported game settings so pointer speed feels natural. If the mouse has onboard DPI buttons, use them to fine-tune now, because games will complete setup by testing in a few games and menus. Some titles block cursor input, so confirm per app behavior. If pairing fails, toggle the mouse's Bluetooth off and on, and restart the Ps5. This clears transient Bluetooth states. Make sure distance is short and avoid crowded wireless environments to reduce interference. When problems persist, check for Ps5 system updates and any mouse firmware updates from the manufacturer, because outdated firmware often causes compatibility glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.